Samsung has recently introduced its newest foldable smartphones along with the groundbreaking Galaxy Ring, but the highly anticipated Galaxy Tab S10 series was conspicuously absent from the showcase. The company has since announced that the Tab S10 series is set to launch later this year. Although an official release date has yet to be revealed, rumors about the new tablets are already making the rounds, including some intriguing details about their charging capabilities. Reports indicate that there will be just two models in the Galaxy Tab S10 lineup, the Tab S10 Plus and the Tab S10 Ultra. The absence of a standard Galaxy Tab S10 model remains a mystery. However, both tablets have been identified in the 3C database, which has disclosed information regarding their charging speeds. According to the certifications, the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus SMX820 and the Tab S10 Ultra SMX926C will feature 45-watt fast-wired charging, matching the capabilities of their predecessors. While this isn't the fastest charging option available for tablets, like the MatePad Pro 12, which boasts 100-watt fast charging, it still offers solid performance. The certification details also indicate that the tablets will be sold without an adapter, which shouldn't come as a surprise. Samsung offers a 45-watt PD single-port adapter and a 50-watt PD dual-port adapter, so you can easily purchase one if needed. The most intriguing news revolves around what hasn't been leaked or rumored. The 11-inch Tab S10, a familiar face in past Galaxy Tab collections, appears to be missing from all current leaks. This absence has sparked speculation that Samsung might be phasing out its smallest flagship tablet, and the recent 3C listing seems to support this theory. Samsung does have the lower-spec Tab Fan Edition series, which still includes an 11-inch variant for now. It seems the company may have realized that users who favor smaller tablets are often casual users who don't need the high-end features of the flagship Tab S series. Additionally, a notable change anticipated in the Galaxy Tab S10 series is the transition to the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus processor, moving away from the traditional Snapdragon 8 series chips used in previous flagship tablets. For the moment, we'll have to wait for Samsung to officially confirm whether the 11-inch Tab S10 will be missing this year, and what other surprises they might unveil in their tablet range. So, what are your thoughts on the upcoming Galaxy Tab S10 from Samsung? Share your expectations in the comments below, and for more updates, be sure to check out our channel. Until next time, take care.